Last month, we got our first look at the design of Google's upcoming Pixel 4. The same people have now joined hands once again to leak the first renders of the bigger Pixel 4 XL. Surprisingly, these new renders reveal that unlike its predecessor, the Pixel 4 XL will not have a notch. As can be seen in the renders below, the Google Pixel 4 XL will actually be quite similar to the Pixel 4 in terms of design. The phone has a rather thick top bezel housing 2 selfie cameras as well as 2 unknown sensors, which might be used for facial recognition. More interestingly, no fingerprint sensor is visible anywhere on the Pixel 4 XL, which could possibly mean that the phone will have an in-display fingerprint scanner. The smartphone's rear panel will allegedly be made using glass and come with a monotone design. Like the Pixel 4, the Pixel 4 XL has the same large rear camera housing with 2 main sensors and what appears to be a 3D TOF sensor. On the bottom, we find a USB Type-C port flanked by speaker grills on either side. Unsurprisingly, the phone does not have a 3.5mm audio jack.